Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page in this weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, February the 17th, 2024. We have here six extra puzzles, and those puzzles are: we have two Sudokus with 3 stars, one killer Sudoku, two binaries, and one tectonic. Four of them I will solve this evening, and tomorrow we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, and tomorrow I will do also a samurai Sudoku. Alright, the first one, Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be number 8021, I believe. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits, and I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve for a 3 stars puzzle. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see, which number can I pick? We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. And I need a 1 here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this second row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, so no 1 there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait. How about the number? The number 4. We have 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. First row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about the 6 in the first row? 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 there. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in the last row, no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6. How about? Need a 9 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9, 9, okay. need a 9. Here, need a 9 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. Here 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes, the last column. 9 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 3 and the 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. Need 3, need a 2. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. Need a 6 here. Okay. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, only 3 places left. The 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 5, need a 7. Okay. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 9 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, so we have a 6 now in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, there are only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Well, then 4, need a 5 here, need a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 1 there. Need an 8 here. Let me think. The 8 in the last row. The 8 in the row above. So that row. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. Need 8 there. Yeah. We have 8 in this row, the 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this column, first column. 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. 1 box left in the last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 7 and 5, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 7, 9. Then need a 2. Yeah, need a 2 here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Need a 7 here. And I need a 2 here. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright. Then 9 and a 5. Okay, 9, 5. Come on. Need a 3 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, and look, we have 5 and a 9 in this row. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4 then. And here we have a pair, 5 and a 9. That means the other pair in this row, other numbers, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this middle column. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. Need a 7 here. 7, 9, and a 5. 7 and a 9. Come on. 4. Need a... Come on. Yeah. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 in this column should be there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 now in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the 1 and 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 is missing, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 and a 9, we have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left, 9 should be there. A 1 box left in this middle row for the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there, finishing 14 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. Faster than 50 minutes. Yeah, definitely a 1 star. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.